Hello all, it's Jamie here from Craftmania, and it is that time once again when we unbox some brand new goodies for you. Now in today's delivery we do have some newness, there is some exciting new elements, but there is also quite a few back in stock items too. So we'll dig in and have a little look, shall we? Now as always, by the time you are watching this video, all of these items are on display here at Craftmania, which is located at 5 Hewett Road, Gapton Hall Industrial Estate, Great Yarmouth, Norfolk. And we are open from 10 AM to 5 PM if you do wish to come in and get your shopping on. Or of course you can pop onto the website, which is www.craftmaniacrafts.com, and online if you spend over £15 you will receive free UK P&P. Now these aren't the new goodies I was on about, but there is some newness on the top here ready for you. These are brand new Stamperia stencils, and I'm going to be honest with you, I think I missed them off when we did our last order, and I see them and I thought, oh, we need those. So I've got this one that's just arrived for you, the lovely deers in kind of the winter scene, and this one which I absolutely loved with these really big focal baubles and panels I thought was rather exciting. So I had to get us some of those. Now let's do a few back in stock items, because I can see we've got quite a lot in here. So let's delve into these back in stock ones for you. Now these are Sweet Dixie embossing powders. Now these are beautiful, they are lovely colours, and they are great value embossing powders. So you can see we've got some sparkly ones, we've got a lovely burgundy one, there's a nice Christmas green one there, there's a nice platinumy kind of goldy shade there. We've got some glitzy ones as well. They're all returning colours for you. Talking of returning, we've also got some Versa Magic ink coming back into stock in black, and we've got black soot distress ink, and we've got mustard seed distress ink as well. Another one of those Versa fine ones going over that side. And then we've got some acrylic paint coming back into stock for you. We do loads of Deco Art Crafters acrylic paints, literally about 100 odd colours. And these are two that are returning. We've got a lovely teal and the black, but do check out the whole colour range. This is also returning for you. This is Crafters Acrylic from Deco Art Fabric Medium. If you've not heard of this before, this goes with all of the Deco Art paints, which are great value, really good quality acrylic paints, and turns them into not just being an acrylic paint, but a fabric paint, just by mixing in this ingredient. It's a great way to take your acrylic paints that you may already have, or an inexpensive acrylic paint like these, and turning them all into a fabric paint. It really is a great money-saving tip for you. Then we've got back in stock stickles. So this, of course, is our crystal stickles. And we've also got our icicles coming back into stock for you as well. Now, there is lots of returning stickles. I'm not going to read out all of the colour names, but there's some lavenders, there's some silvers, there's some platinums. Got a nice sea foamy green shade coming back into stock. There's a lovely blue. Look at that blue. That's gorgeous. Now, we carry a huge array of stickles on the website. Oh, look at this one. You've got to look at this. Have a look at Holly. I love this one. This one's got literally red, green and gold all running through it, and it looks like holly berries or holly. That's why they've called it holly, I suppose, but it is perfect Christmas. Beautiful. That one's returning for you. There's a couple more of the crystally ones as well, some more of the golden ones, but check these out on the back in stock section of the website, or of course hit up the stickles page to see them all. Even a nice bright, vibrant pink is also returning for you. Also coming back into stock is our Stays On Cleaner. We have got just one cheeky bottle of that last week. It sold out instantly. These ones are returning for you. Now, I've teased you long enough about new. Shall we dig in and look at some of the new? Because I have been naughty. Could have done these already. But there is lots more back in stock to go through as well. These are brand new colour palette papers from Tim Holtz. Now, these are very, very, very Moorish. You can see here how beautiful the designs are on the reverse. It's giving you just a glimpse at one of them. But if you look to the sheet here, you can see all of the different pages you are going to be receiving throughout that pad. This is your mixed colourway. It's called Multi, and it of course comes in the 12 by 12 as you can see it. We will hopefully shortly also find the 8 by 8 as well. There's some more of those ones. And then we'll look at this one too. This is another one of the new shades coming in for you. This one is the charcoal colourway, and as you can see in that one, you've got blueprints, you've got newsprints, You've got beautiful backgrounds, very architectural in some of the elements you're seeing here. Those kind of blueprint designs are beautiful. Then another new one for you. This is the purples colourway coming into stock for you as well. And as you can see, we've got a few of these. Now these have 10% off recommended retail price. They of course also benefit from that free UK P&P when you spend £15. And on top of that, you've got your inner circle reward points as well. So for every full £1 you spend here with us at Craftmania, you are going to receive your free inner circle reward points. The more points you collect, the bigger the reward become. Not only do we have these in the 12x12 as I mentioned, we also have them coming out for you in the 8x8 as well. And as we're digging a little bit more, I think we're going to find, oh, here's the charcoal one as well. So there's charcoal, the purple and the multi. Now if you watch our videos, you will know by now, I do like to have a little nosy. I don't like to miss out on anything. So we are going to just give ourselves a little bit of room. We're going to move this over to one side for a second. We've still got all that lot to go, so hang on in there. But I think it's only right that we have a little flick, don't you? So let's see, what are we getting here? We've got 12 papers that are double-sided. They're of course by Tim Holtz, and this of course is the charcoal colourway. So we can see on one side we've got beautiful imagery. On the reverse we've got these butterflies and insects. We've got postage stamps on this one, tickets on the reverse. Those same insects and butterflies are coming through on that shade. Then we've got a nice vintage background. We've got bingo cards running through here. We've got script on the reverse. Beautiful maps. On the reverse of that, gorgeous little postage stamps. Then here's your kind of architectural kind of image that I was referring to. Those kind of blueprints. And then on the back of that, you've got bingo cards. Then we've got some nice alphabet, and then we go back to another one of the maps, and then we're kind of running through them again here, aren't we? Sharing with you the same kind of imagery being diced up into different sections. Again, giving you borders and corners and elements to match in with those sheets. So that one, of course, is your charcoal. Now, the 12x12 is the same designs, but of course, enlarged. Popping bubble wrap. Got bubble wrap at my feet. Can you hear it popping? Oh, I don't know, what am I like, eh? Let's have a look at this one. This one, of course, is your purples. Now, as I was trying to say when I was popping away, our larger designs are also a really good idea to get hold of because, of course, your print is enlarged on the larger ones. And there is something very luxurious throughout your projects of having the small print and the large print at the same papers layered throughout. Or it might be that you want to make up little collages of something like these postage stamps. So actually having the larger size can really help build into that picture. That's gorgeous as well, isn't it? Kind of giving you two sheets of that panel. So if you do wish to do larger projects with it, you absolutely can do. These are such beautiful designs running through it. Oh, I like that one. These are absolutely spectacular, aren't they? They really are beautiful. I love Tim's work, of course, as we all do. And seeing all of these beautiful backings coming into fruition throughout his colour palette collection is amazing. This is the final instalment of the colour palette collection as well, and we do of course have all of them in stock for you. So if you're new to the colour palette, there are already 9 other patterned papers in colourways available, and these are the complete set now of the last 3, giving us 12 available options, and we carry all of them in 8x8 and 12x12, and they all have that 10% off, and of course they all qualify for the inner circle reward points, and of course they're all going to qualify for that 10% off and free UK P&P over £15. This mixed colourway is a lovely one because it is giving you that ability again to cut out your post stamps in a whole plethora of colours. It really is beautiful. I think I've double stacked one there just so you see all of the elements. And these ones are the little strips. Oh, brilliant. What a great way to be able to cut into those and use those as well. So that's our new tin bit, but I did mention there was more back in stocks for you. So let's dig back into the back in stocks. There are more distress inks here. We have got broken china returning. We have got tumbled glass in the oxides. We've got peacock feathers in oxides. We've got forest moss in oxides. We've got mustard seeds as well coming through here. We've also got seedless preserves. We've got vintage photo. We've got squeezed lemonade. We've got some more forest moss, more tumbled glass. I think I've potentially got all of these. But if you've been waiting to see some distress inks, whether they're distress or oxides, they are back in stock for you. Did he get told off? Not allowed sneakies in the box. He knows that. Cheeky cameraman. Now, moving forward, we've got more colours of liquid pearls for you. Now, I'm going to be truthful with you. I can't remember which colours are new, but I am going to tell you that there's 3 or 4 new shades. But there are greens. I think the green's new because I felt that we hadn't got it and I didn't know why we hadn't got it. And I think the lavender might be new as well. But there's a lovely blue, a soft blue, a lemon, a charcoal. All of these are coming into stock. Now, liquid pearls are, of course, the ones that we use the ultrafine nozzle, which comes attached at the tip of the bottle, to go in, pull out, and create our little domes. And then it self-levels down to give us the effect of a pearl without needing to, of course, be using pearls. And you can pump them out to whatever size you would like them to be. Oh, look at this yellow. This is a new one. We've not got that already, I know. What a vibrant, lovely yellow. There's a couple of stickles in here as well that you might not have seen being thrown out as we kind of go through them, just so we separate the bottles for you. Then, from here, what else do we have? Well, returning Stamperia, I hear you say. Absolutely. So Christmas Stamperia launched here last week with us at the official launch time and date. And now we have got more of it coming back in stock for you. So the white Christmas die cuts are back in. The Silent Night rub-on, they proved incredibly popular. So did the Silent Night paper pads. I think this might have been the very first one to sell out the door. This is our 8x8 version. We do have the 12x12s for you as well. Silent Night in the backgrounds is also back in stock for you. White Christmas in 8x8. That again was a very popular and quick sellout one. That is back for you. Silent Night in the maxi pad. This is the one that gives you 22 single-sided sheets. That's returning. White Christmas rub-ons are back for you. White Christmas card collections are back for you. The White Christmas 8x8 maxi pads are back in stock for you as well. This has been proving such a popular collection. But it isn't only the Christmas Stamperia we have for you. We have some of the other collections available as well, including, of course, the Oriental Garden. Those are the die-cut elements of chipboard that have come back into stock, and these are your rub-ons. It is worth mentioning at this stage, if you're thinking I'm going through these quite quickly and you would like a little look inside some of these books and some of these items, do check back on our previous videos, because all of our unboxing videos stay on Facebook for 30 days, but they're also on our YouTube channel, and you can go back and re-watch them at any time. So if you do want to see more of the Stamperia products, check out the Stamperia unboxing videos, because we do go through lots of the pads and show them to you in detail. And if you missed them first time around, now might be the time to see them. Or maybe you've had a couple of the items and would like to go back and revisit and see even more from in those pads and collections. These are the Garden of Time rub-on kits. They are back in stock for you as well. Another one of the collections we carry. We've also got the Symphony backgrounds coming back into stock. This was the last one they had, so I don't think this is going to be around for very long. So grab that one while you can. That's our 12x12 one. And then the last item in the box is our Sweet Dixie dies. These are just 2 dies of this lovely scalloped nested square set with different stitch details running through each of the layers. Now, before I leave you in peace today, I've got one important piece of information to give you. I even have a little poster over here that I have covered up. We have our next demo day coming up here in store at Craftmania. It is on Saturday the 1st of August from 10 AM to 4 PM. Francoise, myself and Gwen Fletcher will be in the building bringing you inspiration with Creative Expressions products. It is one of our annual events here at Craftmania to be able to bring you our demo days from Creative Expressions. You know, we've recently had Amy here, and we are working on getting her back later in the year, fingers crossed. But this time it is the turn of Creative Expressions to come and visit us here at Craftmania and bring you a day filled full of demonstrations and fun. It's free to attend. There is car parking out the front for over 18 cars. You're welcome to come in for 5 minutes or pull up a chair and stay all day. The choice is yours. But all 3 of us will be in here demoing the latest Creative Expressions products, and not only demoing, here to answer your questions as well. So I'm hoping you can pop along and join us from 10 till 4, Saturday the 1st of August, right here at Craftmania, 5 Hewett Road, Gapton Hall Industrial Estate, Great Yarmouth, Norfolk. Now, once again, all of the items we've been looking at, including the very exciting newness from Tim Holtz, or maybe some of the new stickles or liquid pearls have taken your fancy, you can find the new goodies on the new section of the website, which is www.craftmaniacrafts.com. Or, of course, you can go to the back in stock section to find your back in stock items. Or, of course, you can shop by brand. Or you can hit up the main menu where you'll find paint under paint and glitter under glitter and embossing powders under embossing powders. You get the gist. Anything you can't find, let me know in the comments and I'll happily send you a direct link to help you. Don't forget, if you spend over £15, you will of course qualify for a free UK P&P, and whether you're shopping with us in store or online, you will get your inner circle reward points for every full £1 you spend. The more you spend, the more points you get, the more up the tariffs you move, and the bigger the rewards become. Thank you very much for watching today. I look forward to seeing you all again very, very soon. Bye for now.